have hiccups, so. Anyway. So I refuse to freaking put videos on all of your walls. It's just too many. Oh my god. I have hiccups. Really bad hiccups. Really bad hiccups. Anyway. So I'm going to start off with my baby Haley. Because she wanted me to put her first. My god. Hey look, Haley, look at my puppy. Oh my god. You know what I did, Haley? Where's my phone? Anyway, Dominic texted me last night and he was like, I was like, you're a turn off, and he goes, well then. Such a scrub. Anyway. Oh, I hope they don't kick you out of Fieldstone. You're so sweet and I love you. And you're like my rider. You used to be my rider that died until we went separate ways. I still love you. Next person. Kristen Saya. Is that how you pronounce the last name? I don't know. Anyway, you're really pretty and you look so cute and adorable. No homo. Last night when you wrote those big paragraphs, I'm just like, oh, she's using really big words and stuff, and I'm just like, ugh. But I got like three good things to say. Some three wise things. Oh my god, this is killing me. I can't do this. Anyway, wait. Oh, STD, swag too deadly. That's cute. Parents call it talking back. We call it explaining. I don't know. I'm getting these off Facebook. Wow. I'm so wise. Peep my puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. He's so cute. And needs a haircut. Next is... Oh yeah, you should hit me up, Kristen. Saya. Wow. Next is Leaving Sun Gonzavalve. That's a weird name. I don't know you, so you should hit me up more. And you shouldn't wear glasses, because you look... you look weird. I just choked on my hiccup. Next. Katie Nugent! If that's how you pronounce your last name. You're so pretty. You have like Tumblr pictures. You have the prettiest pictures I've ever seen. It's like, you got like 100 likes on each picture. I wish I had that. And you and Tucson are so cute. It's so cute. I love Asians. They're so adorable. I think they're the sexiest race ever. They have the nicest hair. And for some reason they're all rich. It's like an Asian persuasion thing, I guess. You should hit me up more. Next, Raekwon Mont. I thought you said your last name was Santiago. Liar. You should put a shirt on. My god. My ghetto ass ringtone. Oh. Anyway. Your body looks so like, it doesn't match your face at all. Like when you look at you when you're wearing a shirt, you look so scrawny looking and skinny, but your body so built. You should like wear those gay muscular shirts so people can see who they're messing with. You should hit me up more. We stopped talking. Melly! Hi Melissa. Simmons. Hey, I just noticed your last name's the same last name as Diggy Simmons. Or, like, maybe... I've known you for so long and I don't know your last name. Oh. I hope it is Simmons. We grew so apart. We should talk more. You should send me your schedule. Something. I love your body. You have like the best body ever. No homo. But you should show your body off more. You wear these like loose clothing. It's so... they're cute though. So it doesn't matter. Hit me up more though. Oh, this is hard. Onalisa. Carrie. Onalisa Carrie. Woo! That should be like a singer's name. Oni. You're really, really pretty. I like your eyes. They're so skinny and put together. They're so chubby looking. It's like you want to take them out and squeeze them. Oh, we talked once, and you lost the poke battle twice. This is hard talking like this. Okay, you should hit me up more though, and we can talk and chill. I'm mad chills. Right, people. Valeria Marin. You're on my bus, Valeria. We're gonna rock those 8th graders' world, right? We should, like, walk down the hall and just scare them. But we talking like they're like 5 and we're like 10. They're like a year younger than us. It's just they're so freaking fast and beefy, I guess. Claire, you're so pretty. You've grown. You look so different. We should talk more. You're like my little Oprah. Oprah. So hit me up more. I love you. Kin Hamid, aka Mr. Snuffable. I miss going on Uvu with you. You're so cute and funny. And you actually gave me a reason to wake up and get dressed most of the time. We should talk more. You're such a douche. I have my Uvu back. Ugh. I'm done talking about you now. Junior, Aligre. I had a dream about you, or it was real. It was at Target, though. I met you, or maybe that was real. I saw you, and then I hid, and you were like with a whole bunch of people, your family. It was weird. I hid because I thought you were gonna call me something bad. We should talk more again. Oh yeah, I was in your house and you weren't there. Just your family. I was with Johnny and Kelton. And Diana Peralta. Yep. You should have been there. It was fun. Okay, I'm done talking about you. Cheyenne! I miss you. It's been a while since you knocked on my door unannounced. You look so different. You're so cute. You're like a baby, but just meaner and abusive. We should talk more and hang out and stuff. I miss you. I love you. Ho. Derek Bindas. Is that your real name? Anyway, you look very depressed in your pictures. I don't know you though. You should smile. I like your glasses. I lost mine, so I'm wearing these. So you should hit me up. Alexandra Lexi. Is that your last name? That's a cute last name. I hate my last name. Everybody pronounces it wrong. Ugh. You're so cute and short, and when I met you, you were so quiet. You should talk more. We should talk more. We should chill. Matter of fact. We should be ride or dies this year. You're like the chillest 8th grader I know. You're so chill. We should talk more. Okay, bye. Steven Salazar. I don't know you, but you're cute. We should talk. I like cute boys. I don't like those bum ass niggas at all. So, yes. You guys should add Steven Salazar. He's really cute. Wow, this is gonna be hard. Chuchi. 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 Tazar Nathan Abdelard. Oh, no wonder I call you Chuchi. You're like so chill. You should text me. I'm summoning you to text me right now. It's so boring at 10:30 in the morning. I haven't slept all day and night. Hold on, I have a notification. Yay! Justin Casamis. Like my status. Oh! Do happy dance. Do happy dance. Who's I talking about? Chuchi. Yes. Yes, Chuchi. You should text me. You're so weird. And it's fun talking to you. You actually talk about other stuff than weed, sex, and girls. It's cool. Michael Young Man Status Price. That's a nice middle name. Or your parents drunk when they gave you that? I'm joking. You're so cute. You have the cutest little dimples. And then when I mention your dimples, you go, we should ooh more. Yep. Yep. You're so quiet. It's funny how Lito introduced me to you, and then me and Lito stopped talking because of you. Kind of. I just burped on my hiccup again. So hit me up more, Michael. You better, Michael. I don't hit people up, so you hit me up. Angelica Cartigenta. Jenna. Oh. Jelly. Oh my god, you're like my first best friend from middle school. I miss you. We used to be really tight. Like, so tight that we'd break into my house for Wii games. That's tight. We should talk more. You're just so cute and cuddly. You're like the smallest person in this thing. And you're so cute and quiet. It makes you want to shake you. It makes you want to just grab you and shake you. Yep. I'm going to grab you and shake you the first day I see you. Yep, it's going to be called the grab and shake. We should talk more, Angelica. We're so separate and distant. I miss you, and I still love you.